Right, big news coming in. Home Minister Amit Shah's big promise with regard to the Waqf. He vows to pass the Waqf bill in the winter session. This is big news coming in. It's going to be full-on fireworks. Home Minister Amit Shah vows to pass the Waqf bill in the winter session, which means the stage is going to be set for a stormy winter session. Remember, this is as much about the sort of powers, arbitrary, complete powers that were with the Waqf board, specifically when it came to land rights, property issues. Can that be curtailed or streamlined? That there will be certain guidelines that the Waqf board will have to follow. The centre will be tabling the Waqf bill in the Parliament winter session. This promise
बोर्ड का जो कानून है, ये वक्फ बोर्ड के कानून से बहुत परेशानी है ना। एक कानून को एक शीत सत्र में हम सुधार कर सीधा करने का काम कर देंगे। वक्फ बोर्ड का जो कानून है, ये वक्फ बोर्ड के कानून से बहुत परेशानी है ना। एक कानून को एक शीत सत्र में हम सुधार कर सीधा करने का काम कर देंगे।
Piyush Mishra joining me for the latest on that. Piyush, that's a big promise, and with regard to ahead of the Haryana elections, to make that inner rally in public, clearly sending across a strong message.
Well, certainly, Pooja, that's a very big promise which has been made by Home Minister Amit Shah to the people of Haryana. Remember that he was addressing a rally where he has now assured that in the upcoming session, the government is going to, deal with this Waqf board law. You would also remember that the entire thing, this bill has now been given to Joint Parliamentary Committee, and JPC has to submit its report by the end of first week of next session. So we can expect when the report is submitted, after that the further procedures will be followed, and then the government is going to introduce a bill on this where various amendments are going to be made, and that is a promise also which has been made by Home Minister Amit Shah to the people of Haryana. We'll have to see how the top contender there in Haryana, Congress Party, is going to react to this big promise which has now been made by Home Minister Amit Shah.
Piyush, stay on with me. I want the viewer to listen in again to what Home Minister Amit Shah said. This is the first big promise at an election rally over the Waqf board powers.
वक्फ बोर्ड का जो कानून है, ये वक्फ बोर्ड के कानून से बहुत परेशानी है ना। एक कानून को एक शीत सत्र में हम सुधार कर सीधा करने का काम कर देंगे।
As Piyush continues to track the latest on that, Piyush, you tell me what precisely is the status presently, because if the government brings this in the winter session upcoming, we can expect a lot of objection coming in, specifically from leaders of the AIMIM, for example.
Well, absolutely, Pooja, we are already seeing various political parties, opposition political parties, they have opposed this amendment bill which was introduced by the government in the last session, and that is why it was sent to JPC. And the own allies like PDP and others were also were in favor of sending the entire thing in to the JPC, and that is why we have seen how Joint Parliamentary Committee has been formed, and JPC is also hearing all the views from different stakeholders, and the JPC has to submit its report by the end of first week of next session. So when it is done, when the JPC submits its report, then further procedures would be followed, and most likely the government is going to again have a discussion on the Waqf amendment bill, and that is the promise also which has been made by Home Minister Amit Shah. The likes of Congress Party, Samajwadi Party, AIMIM, and the Trinamool Congress, they are the ones who have been opposing this, and if this is this is what for discussion in the Parliament, we can again expect a fiery session which the opposition would counter the government on various points. But that is a big promise, a huge promise which has been made by Home Minister Amit Shah ahead of the elections that are also to take place in Haryana on October 4th.
Right, so Piyush is tracking that big story. Piyush, stay on with me, because Home Minister Amit Shah has made this mention very categorically at the Haryana rally. Remember that the government has maintained in the past few months that Waqf arbitrary powers will also be streamlined here on. Varis Pathan is joining me. He's from the AIMIM on this. Varis Pathan, as this statement that has come in from Home Minister Amit Shah at the rally, that this will be looked at, what do you make of it? That is it worthy of discussion, or will there be complete objection from the AIMIM on this?
See, we have been saying since the beginning that the intentions of the BJP and the RSS are mala fide. They want to usurp the property belonging to us. They want to usurp the Waqf property. When the bill was introduced in the parliament for amendment, there were objections taken on it. And after the objections were raised, it was sent for the JPC. Now the JPC is holding a meeting. In the entire country, meetings have been taking place every day. Objections are being raised. The All India Muslim Personal Law Board has issued a QR code. Whosoever wants to raise an objection can raise it through that QR code. And crores of Muslims people have raised their objections. Now, pending all that, pending the JPC meeting, Amit Shah coming before the nation and saying this kind of things, I don't think this is in good taste. That is why we say their intentions are mala fide. So, they will introduce, how can they?
Pradhan, if there are arbitrary powers that come specifically on property land issues, there have been allegations that there have been sweeping claims that have been made by Waqf on properties. Shouldn't that also be looked at?
But that everything will have to be decided in the JPC. The committee is set up for that. We have shown them documents. The documents are placed before them. Let's see, no such kind of things such things have happened. There is a Waqf tribunal, there is a Waqf board. And if somebody is aggrieved by it, he's got a right to move the Honorable High Court or the Supreme Court. But they want to interfere into our matters, and they want to sit with their madrasas, our graveyards, our orphanages. They are taken away by the government. Their intentions are mala fide. There are several things which I cannot disclose on the phone just now. Many things are there, many objections have been raised, crores of people, there are documentary evidence to show that. But Home Minister is saying this, that we will get it passed. This is a U-turn Sarkar, everybody knows. Earlier also they have taken back the farm law. And I am sure and confident that the Waqf amendment bill will also be taken away by the government. They won't be able to pass it.
So Waris Pradhan says that JPC is what should be looked at. Meanwhile, the government feels that there's been a misuse by vested interests. There have been property grab charges, and that will be streamlined. So let's listen in before we move on to what did Home Minister Amit Shah say at the Haryana rally.
वक़्फ़ बोर्ड का जो कानून है, ये वक़्फ़ बोर्ड के कानून से बहुत परेशानी है ना। एक कानून को एक शीत सत्र में हम सुधार कर सीधा करने का काम कर दें।